In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Buy Now button on Wix 2025 step by step. Let's get you set up from zero to a working Buy Now button. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your site's dashboard. From there, head to Apps and open the App Market. In the search bar, type Wix Stores, then add it to your site. Once it's installed, Wix creates the essential commerce pages for you automatically, including your shop, product, cart, and checkout pages. If you already have Wix Stores on your site, you're good to go and can continue from here. Next, let's add a product so the button has something to sell. In your dashboard, go to Products and click New Product. Enter a clear product name and set your price. Upload high-quality photos that show the item from a couple of angles and write a concise, benefit-focused description so shoppers know exactly what they're getting. Keep the formatting clean and easy to scan. When everything looks right, click Save. This step is important because the Buy Now button will link directly to this product's checkout flow. Now enable the Buy Now button itself. Open the Wix editor for your site and navigate to your product page. Click the product element and open Settings. Here, you can choose which action buttons appear. Make sure Add to Cart is shown if you still want a traditional shopping experience, and toggle on Buy Now to offer a direct checkout option. The Buy Now button sends shoppers straight to checkout, which is great for single item purchases or fast decision moments. Before you test it, set up your payments so customers can actually pay. Go to Settings and select Accept Payments. Connect the provider that works best for you. Options typically include PayPal, Stripe, or Wix payments depending on your region. Follow the prompts to complete verification. Make sure your business details match your documents to avoid delays, and give providers time to approve your account if they require a review. Finally, preview your site and test the flow. Click Preview, open a product, and try the Buy Now button to confirm it jumps straight to checkout and displays the correct price and details. If anything looks off, return to the editor or product settings to adjust. When everything runs smoothly, click Publish to push your changes live. That's it. You've added a Buy Now button, connected payments, and confirmed the full experience. This small change can noticeably speed up checkout and reduce friction for shoppers who are ready to buy right away.